Hey guys, what's up? It's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm currently doing for my acne marks. So in my previous videos, I mentioned that I was following this Dermat recommended skincare routine by Dermaco for my acne, and they examined my skin online and sent me 4 products to treat my acne, and I used those products for about 20 to 25 days roughly, and all of my acne had gone completely. My skin became so much more clearer and all I had left was a couple of acne marks here and there. And I also mentioned that I was going to consult them again and get a few products customized for myself again to treat these acne marks, because I kind of wanted to clear out my skin completely, and that's what happened. So before I show you the products that I've been using and how to use them and what they do to your skin, let me just show you a close-up of my skin to show you how clear it has become. Okay, so this is the current situation of my skin, and as you can see, all of the redness that I had on my skin is gone completely. If you've seen my previous videos, my previous maybe makeup videos or skincare videos, you would have seen that I had a lot of redness on my skin. I have rosacea, and whenever I step out in the sun or I eat something spicy, or because of so many other reasons, my skin triggers and it becomes completely red. Also, I have like acne prone skin, and I get acne for every reason, every possible reason, and I don't really have any acne marks left on my skin. There's just one over here which is caused due to a recent acne, and 2 over here which are also recent acne marks. I don't really clean my phone so often, I don't sanitize it so often, and because of that, whenever I talk over the phone, this is the area where I'm getting acne currently. So apart from that, all of the acne marks have been removed completely, and my skin has become so much more clear than it was before. And I only used these products for like over 10 days, and these are the results that the products gave to my skin. So now let me finally show you all the products that I've been using. So the products that I've been using for my acne marks, they sent them in this box, and they sent 2 products. So the first one is a cleanser. It's an AHA BHA cleanser, and the second one is this 10% niacinamide serum. You have to use the cleanser first on your face so that your face is completely clean, and then move on to the serum. So this serum is actually the star product of the show. This is what actually helps to fade away and to remove those acne marks, and the cleanser just acts as a supporting product. So let me talk about the serum first. It's a 10% niacinamide serum. It also contains vitamin B3 and zinc. This is how the inner packaging looks like, and it comes with a dropper. So if you Google niacinamide, which is the main ingredient of the serum, they have mentioned that it helps to reduce redness. Well, I had a lot of redness on my cheeks, and all of that has gone completely. It helps to minimize pore appearance. My pores aren't really as visible as they used to be before. Even when I zoomed you guys in, you couldn't really see so much of my pores, right? It also helps to protect your skin against sun damage. It helps to treat hyperpigmentation. Acne marks is a form of hyperpigmentation because the red marks that you have on your skin are of a different tone than the rest of your skin, so it is considered as hyperpigmentation, and this serum helps to treat that. So it helps to remove and fade away those acne marks, and there are absolutely no side effects or no harm to your skin by using this product. It is tested by dermats, it is recommended by dermats, it is made by dermats basically. It is free from harmful chemicals like parabens and SLS, and it contains clinically proven ingredients. So niacinamide is actually a clinically proven ingredient which helps to treat those acne marks. So you can bindas go ahead and use this product for your acne marks. I use it for like 10 to 12 days I think, and it has made so much of a big difference on my skin. So this product genuinely helps to remove those acne marks, and it's not that expensive either. It retails for 599 rupees for 30 ml, and this bottle will last you for I think a month and a half. Now moving on to the cleanser, which is an AHA BHA cleanser. I don't really have the box of this. I kind of threw it away because I store this face wash in the washroom. So this is just a supporting product which if you use with the main product, that is the niacinamide serum, it will give you better results. So this contains AHA and BHA. AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acid and BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid. AHA is meant for dry skin, BHA is meant for oily skin. AHA helps to exfoliate just the surface of your skin, whereas BHA helps to exfoliate from inside your pores. Then again, AHA helps to build collagen, which helps to repair your skin from all of the damage that is caused due to acne and other things. And BHA helps to reduce inflammation, that is all the redness and all of the jalan that happens on your skin because of acne. And since it comes with BHA, well, BHA is one of the best ingredients for acne prone skin. It helps to reduce your acne, it helps to treat it like really nicely and gently. So this is meant for all skin types. A few other ingredients that it contains are mandelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid, which all again have individual benefits. So mandelic acid is an anti-aging ingredient. Glycolic acid is an exfoliating ingredient and it is one of the best exfoliating ingredients. It helps to remove the outermost layer of dead skin, which helps to reveal brighter and fresher skin from underneath. So the marks and the pigmentation sort of become lighter and lighter as and when it exfoliates your skin. And the last ingredient is salicylic acid. Now this is again an amazing ingredient for acne prone skin, sensitive skin and red skin like mine. It helps to reduce inflammation, it helps to reduce redness, burning sensations, the jalan that happens because of acne. And basically it just helps to calm your skin down and calm down all of that redness. So the ingredients in this are perfect to treat acne prone skin. They really help to deal with acne and acne marks, and this is again dermat tested, formulated and recommended by dermats. It is paraben and SLS free. Parabens and SLS are two harmful chemicals that you should be avoiding as much as possible. I have two videos on 10 of the most harmful and dangerous chemicals for your skin, and parabens and SLS are a few of them. In those videos I've mentioned that there are two types of chemicals, good chemicals and bad chemicals. Chemicals like AHA, BHA, glycolic acid, salicylic acid are all good for your skin. They help to deal with skin problems and in general they just make your skin more healthy and better. Whereas bad chemicals like parabens and SLS damage your skin and your entire body in so many ways that you don't know. So you should always stick to good chemicals and try to avoid bad chemicals as much as possible. And lastly, it contains clinically proven actives, which are all of the ingredients that I mentioned. They have clinically proven to benefit your skin in so many ways. So there is actual logic, science and facts behind why these products work for your skin, why they help to deal with acne and acne marks. And the results are right in front of you. My skin has never been so clear. You guys know that better than I do. So that's why I recommend these products for acne prone sensitive skin, and they also have products for every other skin type, for every other skin problem. So just consult Dermaco online, take their assessment test, upload a picture of your skin and show them what all skin problems you have, and based on the assessment and the examination of the picture that you send them, they will customize an entire CTMP routine for you, send you a bunch of products, and you can try and test them out and see the results for yourself. I am so impressed with Dermaco. This is my second order and I'm definitely going to be placing more orders in the future whenever I have any kind of skin problems coming up. So Dermaco is one website that I trust and I highly recommend if you're looking for a dermat's service, and actually it's quite affordable as well. So how much I used to pay at dermats when I used to go to their clinic and meet with them, I actually spent less than half of the cost of that while ordering from Dermaco. So Dermaco is really affordable as well, and you can get the products, the routine customized for you at your doorstep. So it's all at the convenience of your own house, all at the convenience of your own time, and there's absolutely no reason not to try it out. So I highly recommend you check out Dermaco. I will leave the link to their website in the description box below, and I also have a coupon code. They were really generous enough to give it to me for my followers. So it's RIA25, which if you use at the checkout at Dermaco, then you will achieve a 25% discount on your total order. Also, I will leave the links to the previous videos wherein I showed my acne skincare routine by using these products from Dermaco. So I will leave the links of those videos in the description box below in case if you want to check them out too. And yeah, that was my video on what I'm currently doing for my acne marks. You saw the results for yourself. My skin has never been so clear and I absolutely love how my skin looks right now. and I'm trying to maintain it so that it remains clear for as long as possible. So yes, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also let me know in the comment section below if you happen to try out any of these products and how they work out for you. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.